Alrighty guys, so this is part 2 on my wiring management. The only other wires that I feel need to be cut down are the yellow ones. Those two. That one and that one. And they both go to the blinker on both ends. So now that I know where they go, I think I'm just gonna cut them down on that side. Hey, yeah? Now let's see what I move on to. Alrighty guys, so I got done cutting that one with the blue heat shrink on it. I cut it down a little bit, not too much, to the point where it stretched too far. So I wanted to leave it with some, And then on this one, I just chopped it. I zip tied it right here, just so I can keep all these wires somewhat together up to a point. As you can see, right here, right where my finger is at, there's some wires that come down from the bottom one, not the top one, the bottom one. So obviously I can zip tie it there. So I'm gonna leave it from there to there, and then from here, as you can see, this red wire comes out right there. I'm gonna at least try to unloop it so it can go a little bit more up, and then from there I can go to whatever it needs to go, which is that connector right under the yellow butt connector. So I'm just trying to make it look cleaner and have wires, kind of being somewhat maintained from where they're going to and where they're coming from, rather than spaghetti sauce everywhere. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing so far. Okay guys, so I was able to cut these down to size, and I tied them to this one. That way there's not two sets of wires or sets of collected wires running everywhere. And I still have to finish up that side. I already cut it there, so I tied half of it. But now I'm just gonna tidy up some other stuff. Well, it's supposed to rain the whole rest of the week tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to finish this up as quick as I can. I'll try to post an after video or an after clip, but it's my sister's birthday today, so I don't think I'm gonna get to that. Maybe, hopefully, but who knows. But we'll see. I got done wrapping the wiring on the inside. This is what I got done on the inside. I untangled some of those wires. Some of them were pretty much going in between each other, so I just either shorten what I could or untangle what I could. So, but yeah, that's all I did so far. So, yeah. Other than that, I'm pretty much waiting on the last two things for the sound system, which are the two subs and the amp. So I don't know when that video will come out, but hopefully this year. But anyways, peace.